na pala ng kapitbahay ko. Putang na yung pinagkalat mo pang wala na tayo. Maybe I'm just dreaming of you tonight, and if into my dreams you come and touch me once again. I just keep on dreaming till my heart expands.
Galing! Galing!
Naku, hindi mo naman ako pinapansin. Ganyan pa naman.
Galing!
I was afraid of time, but not. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I've learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'm just dreaming of you tonight.